I write my all scripts, daily notes, and many more things on phone, but I type slowly and make lots of mistakes. So I'll try to improve my typing with the goal of 60 words per minute. But why on phone? You may ask. Because I don't have PC and I am poor. There's one more thing. I won't use autocorrect or autosuggest to really improve my typing speed. First of all, I needed to choose a better keyboard. So I scrolled some Reddit and found Unexpected Keyboard. That's the name of app. It has keys inside keys, so I don't have to switch to type the symbols and numbers. By the way, it's open source app. Now I was ready to start, but how can I measure my progress? I went to Play Store in search of good typing app and downloaded TurboType and Type Nova. I uninstalled Type Nova right away after seeing the UI and started with TurboType. After typing for 30 minutes, I realized that stat I was looking was not changing. Wait, why the stats are the same? Upgrade to premium to see your stats. I had to uninstall this one too. Fortunately, I found Monkey Type and it's very mobile friendly and customizable. I typed for an hour and these are the result which we will compare at the end of this video. It's been 1.5 hours. Now I am tired and making lots of mistakes. So I'm gonna call it day and start tomorrow. Second and third day I didn't practice because me and my cat got into fight. So by the way, I changed my keyboard back to Gboard cause there was no use for symbols other than writing codes which I almost never type, and I stopped autocorrect, auto suggest and emoji suggest, just typing with two thumbs. It's day 4 and I finally hit 61 words per minute, but it was in 10 seconds. It means I really can type fast but for very small time and then I slow down. So I'm gonna keep going. Anyways, here are my stats for the day. Well, it's last day of typing. Look what I did here. 61 words per minute for 30 seconds. Want to see more of this type of things for Android? Subscribe.